bed to go to sleep. A weird sensation in my feet and my hands. And it would gradually grow from the tip of the fingers down through my hands, forearms, through the calves. That really woke me up. And I wasn't able to concentrate at that point, so it went into my face, ears, back of my neck. Exact same story the next day. At that point, I kind of freaked out and beeline to the airport.
To be clear, you were staying in the same hotel where these diplomats were experiencing similar symptoms that you had.
That's right. I used the travel agent who recommended the hotel because the hotel had just come out of renovation.
Do you feel from your experience like this was something that was targeted?
I'm not a conspiracy theorist by nature, but you got a hotel full of people for 4 years now from other countries that have no issues.
If you have a hotel in which hundreds of people are staying every night, and over the course of this time, 20-some people, all of whom are diplomats experiencing these physical symptoms, I mean, there's nothing accidental about that.
Some people think that if there was some sonic attack, they were still testing out whatever the technology was when I was there.
I've never heard anything like this. The idea that this could be a whole new branch of mind control, you know, that's the darker side of what we're talking about in the applications of stuff.
If sound is being weaponized to damage or hijack the human mind, how does it work? There are sound waves that vibrate at such extreme frequencies, humans can't hear them. Some believe these waves are powerful enough to penetrate the skull and interrupt millions of neuron connections inside the brain. Could something as common as sound be the key to controlling the human mind? To find out, I'm at and Health Systems Engineering Lab, where Dr. Jamie Tyler is exploring how high-frequency sound waves called ultrasound can be used to manipulate the brain.
The story that recently came out of Cuba, diplomats that were working in Cuba were experiencing unexplained physical symptoms, and it's been talked about in terms of a sonar attack.
Lots of people around the world that have their own theories about what happened. A lot of people say that ultrasound cannot affect brain activity. That's wrong. We can't hear the ultrasound frequencies, but what's really dangerous about it when you can't hear it is you don't know how loud it is.
Right.
And so it can be 140 decibels, so as loud as the jet engine, but you cannot hear it. But the air pressure is still 140 decibels.
I know that there was a kind of range of symptoms, some of which were auditory.
And headaches, which you can produce with ultrasound. So as soon as I heard about the story, to me it was pretty obvious that ultrasound was one of the candidates that you would suspect at creating those types of problems, even if it was airborne.
But Dr. Tyler and his team have been researching ways ultrasound can actually boost brain performance.
We're going to put you on a treadmill and see if we can make you fall. And
Really?
So
you can make me fall?
Yeah, it's a treadmill that's designed.
Okay.
I'll be put to the test to see how sound waves can control my mind.
We'll hook you up and get your brain stimulated with some transcranial focused ultrasound.
Ready?
Yeah.
Dr. Tyler and his team will give me a dose of ultrasound at key areas of my brain.
So that's the ultrasound now. It transmits through your skin.
Which should affect...
So crazy.
Isn't it crazy?
Dr. Tyler has been conducting this type of research for over 10 years. In a majority of cases, when someone tries to walk the treadmill, they stumble and sometimes fall within seconds. However, with the boost of ultrasound altering my mind, Dr. Tyler believes I should be able to stay on the treadmill no matter what happens.
It's a quite advanced treadmill that allows us to do motion tracking of your body and allow you to interact in a virtual environment. Good to step up there.
My brain has never been zapped with ultrasound, and I've never been strapped into a jerry-rigged treadmill before.
All right, good.
My goal is to just walk normally.
Just walk normally.
Will my mind be sharpened by the intense power of sound waves?
Go for it.
Make him go faster. Increase the pitch and try to mess him up.
Whoa.
There you go.
Is it working?
have to give up